Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. I welcome you all to Yusra's Kitchen Inspire Home Cooking. Today I bring you my personal favorite recipe, which is a Chinese and Indian recipe, and I really love this. This is my style chili chicken, and once you make it, you're gonna make it a lot of times. This is the chicken recipe when your guests arrive and you don't know what to make. This is the quickest and the distinct chicken recipe which stand out from other chicken recipes. So let's get started with the ingredients. I'm using here breast chicken, about 250 grams, cut into medium to small pieces. Bell peppers, I'm using here 1 medium, cut into cubes, and I'm using here orange color. You can use any color. I'm using here 2 jalapeno, which are dark green chilies and are really spicy. So if you don't have this, you can use regular light green chilies, which are about 3 to 4 in number. I'm using here garlic pod finely chopped, two garlic pods finely chopped. You can always use ginger garlic paste. I'm using here grated ginger, 1/2 inch. You can also use garlic paste or ginger paste. I'm using here a tablespoon of water, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm using here regular tomato ketchup, about 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. A teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. I'm using here salt as per taste. Oil for frying, I'm using here sunflower oil for frying the chicken. And a tablespoon of white vinegar or vegetable vinegar. Handful of coriander leaves. So basically these are the ingredients, and I have forget to mention I'm using 1/4 cup of onions diagonally cut. So we are going to first marinate the chicken. So I have taken the chicken in a bowl. I'm going to add salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Later we are going to add the leftover pepper, and I have beaten the egg which are separately, and I'm going to add this in the bowl, and I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Later we are going to use the cornstarch leftover, but now we are going to marinate the chicken and keep it for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. And now we are going to fry the chicken. I have kept it for 10 minutes, and after keeping it for marination, I've taken a karai and I'm gonna add the oil. Half of the karai I've added the oil, and I'm gonna fry it till it get crispy golden brown in color. These chicken are really tasty. They are crispy on outside and very juicy, very juicy on inside. It is like a nugget, and you can easily eat this like this, but of course we are making a curry, so we're gonna keep it aside, and we're gonna take a tissue paper in a plate and let the excess oil get absorbed. And basically I'm gonna fry the leftover chicken like this. And once the second batch of my chickens are fried till they are golden brown in color, I'm gonna add all the chicken once again to the karai and let it be a little more crispier. And once they are done, just 2 to 3 seconds we are going to do this, and then we are going to take out all the chicken onto the same tissue paper and let the oil get absorbed. Now our chicken is ready. We're going to keep it aside. We're going to take the green chilies and fry it just to get a little bit of crispy. So we're going to just fry it a little seconds and then we are going to take it out till they are crispy and done, and keep it aside. And we're going to take another big pan. In this big pan, we are going to add oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And when the oil is hot, we are going to fry the vegetables with spices and then add the chicken, and then we are going to add the cornstarch slurry and then toss it. So basically when the oil is hot, we are going to add ginger garlic. Now here you can use ginger garlic paste also. I'm using here ginger garlic, the fried green chilies. I'm going to add the diagonally sliced onions, which I told you I'm using here quarter. I'm using here bell peppers. I'm going to add it and stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after stir frying it, when they are a little translucent, I'm going to add salt. Make sure to constantly stir it because we don't want it to get burned. And then add salt, pepper, the leftover pepper, stir it. These Chinese recipes are usually made on a high flame, but whenever you're adding tomato ketchup, we're going to slow down the heat. And add tomato ketchup, slow down the heat, mix it. Don't let the spices stick at the bottom. We have added here dark soya sauce. We're going to toss it, mix this constantly, and the bowl in which I have added cornstarch, I have added water, and I'm going to just make sure there are no lumps and mix it and make the slurry. Now we are going to add chicken into the vegetables and spices. We are going to toss the chicken really well to get the spices and then cook it for about a minute. And after it's 1 to 2 minutes, we are going to add the slurry, the cornstarch slurry, and immediately mix it. Whenever you add cornstarch slurry in any recipe, you need to mix it really fast because they will get lumps and we don't want lumps. And at last we are going to add coriander leaves and a tablespoon of vinegar, and we are going to toss it, and just a minute we are going to take it out. So this delicious chili chicken is ready. We are going to serve it with any chapati of your choice, and I'm sure the guests will love it. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Really tasty, and kids will also love. So make sure to make it. Jazakallah. Thank you.